Hey guys, so I realized that I have not filmed vlogs for my senior year at Virginia Tech, so I decided to put a bunch of clips and maybe pictures here and there and put it all in one video. So it's kind of like a recap of my senior year, and it's just kind of like a 1-second video of the day. Just take it as that. But without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so a long time no see. I decided to film a vlog today because or just like throughout the week, I guess, because I haven't filmed my senior vlog at all this year because of COVID and applying for schools and whatnot. I was really busy. I don't know if this is gonna get any interesting, but I am still going to film it and put it together. So update on my life. I am graduating in about 2 months, and as I said in like previous videos, like I am graduating a year early, so I always took like a lot of credits to get it done. And I'm currently studying for the DAT, which is a dental school admission board like type of like exam. I also got a COVID vaccine first dose, and I'm getting the second dose this week, so that's exciting. And oh, today I'm going thrifting with Ananya, my friend, and I will vlog that as well. I'm just currently working on my PAT, which is part of the exam section, and I have like about an hour and a half before meeting Ananya, so I just decided to do some practices. I'm on question 43 right now, so yeah. Okay, now we're working on my application essay. Yes, I know it's 86, but I will bring it up to 90 something. My friend is here to pick me up. We're here. Found this marble ring dish.
I have trench coats here too.
You have in the vlog. Oh, show them what you got.
Oh, okay. So I got this.
It's a really cute top.
A shirt and then these pants that'll go
Together.
perfect.
Cute. Small bags that are trendy right now. It's from 9 West. I love crocodile. This thrift store has everything. So I found this and I was like, wow, this is cool, because I thought that was an album, but look at this. Funeral attendance. Oh my gosh, nope. Does anybody remember this? Oh my god. Hi, so we're back from the thrift store and we're gonna show you what we got. I put down everything because like I thought it was gonna be really big. The pants were really big, so I put it down. But last minute I found this gold necklace. It's like, I can't even show it on the camera, it's too bright, but like I got this like dainty ribbon necklace, and it's actually from Coach.
It is?
Yeah, I saw it on the locket here, and it was $1, so it was a good steal.
Dude, so I got a Dirty Dancing like cassette tape. You can't see it.
Wow. Okay, here, I'll
but
hold it.
nah, it's because there's like a whole backstory to this, but basically I really like Dirty Dancing. That's the premises of the story. And then I got a little vase thing. It's wrapped up because I don't want to break it, but I got a little vase thing to put
do what?
flowers in.
Yeah, that her man's get.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay, on to Ross.
All I wanna do is to get with you. 보고 싶어 내 맘먹어
We're here. Hopefully we find good stuff. Here's what I got from Ross. I actually got a few things. The first thing I got is this crop top. It's more like, it looks like sports tank, but I don't own any colors like this, so I decided to try it. And this was $5.99. Then I got this graduation frame for $5.99. It was really cute. My mom wanted me to get it, so I got that. And I guess I'm gonna put my graduation picture here. And then I also got this top, just one shoulder top. And once again, I don't own anything like this, but I want to give it a try, and it was only $5.99, so it was a good deal. for work, but it's been so long because of COVID, and so I think it's been like a year since I went in for work. Let's go. Hey guys, so today is April 29th. I just got my LASIK consultation and I'm a good candidate for LASIK surgery, which is super exciting. And we just paid and my treatment is tomorrow. I'm so excited. Last day of me wearing glasses. Well, actually last few hours because I am heading over to the LASIK place right now. And then my surgery starts at 10:45 a.m. Yay!
Oh, it's crucial for the bakers to leave themselves enough time to cut out.
I'm taking my second final today, or second final of the week, and it is engineering cultures. It is May 7th, 8 a.m. So I'm going to get started. And how lucky am I, because there is a freaking renovation in my apartment today. Oh, it's so loud.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
A movie, what the heck?
Hi, I'm graduating.
Yay! Sorry. Look at you.
I'm wearing a cardigan underneath because it's cold.
Hello. Today is May 14th. This girl is graduating.
It's literally like so early and bright in the morning.
2021. Here's Lulu to celebrate with us. Wow.
Yeah.
Everyone's like layering. Do you see this?
It's so cold.
Like it's cold. But we're prepared.
Yeah. Oh yeah, can you hold this? I'll
Yes.
put it on. We have a ton of cords here. It's kind of like tangled noodles.
Wow.
I think my biggest one is like this that no one can see, but look at the
Yeah,
badge.
why?
It says honor.
Jessica! Wave! Okay.
Jessica Park.
Woo! Yeah, Jessica! Oh my god, it's so loud.
Sarah.
It is my honor to say to you, I hereby confer upon each of you the degree earned, with all the rights, honors, and responsibilities. Congratulations, graduates, and welcome to the Virginia Tech alumni family.
You just graduated! Right. Bye, see you over there. Okay.
Oh my god.
Alrighty. Ah.